From Australia to Peru, via Barbados and Costa Rica, the 11 most beautiful campsites in the world. The 11 most beautiful campsites in the world. The numbers of on-plane air tourism are steadily growing. 1. Costa Rica, Salina Yaco. Yaco has something for everyone, say the owners of Salina Yaco, and it's easy to see why. This quiet Punta Arenas site right on the beach is the kind of place where you can indulge your siesta cravings, or feed your adrenaline side with days of quad biking tours in the rainforest, ziplining and big wave surfing. If you have something a little more discreet in mind, you can stay on site to take a swim or sunbathe by the pool, try your hand at yoga sessions in the wellness area, or indulge in a relaxing massage. There is also a restaurant and a beach bar, which is a very short distance from the facility, to indulge in a swim at any time of day, play beach volleyball, or participate in silent raves on the sand barefoot and dance the night away. For the more intellectual, there is even a movie theater. 2. Costa Rica, Salina Puerto Viejo. Have you ever thought of a mini vacation in the jungle? Salina Puerto Viejo is an authentic paradise where you can completely relax and experience the sounds and tastes of Costa Rica. Great reggae music, spicy Caribbean cuisine and unforgettable sunsets. Lodging is in tipis built in traditional style with materials handmade by neighboring indigenous communities. Daily life flows smoothly between the outdoor pool and the beach, where you can rent boards, take surfing lessons. Puerto Viejo de Talamanca is famous for its surfing beaches, or try your hand at snorkeling and paddleboarding. The co-working space enjoys a great Wi-Fi connection. When it's time to disconnect, it's off to yoga class. 3. Australia, Coonawarra Bush Holiday Park. An outdoor adventure among the vineyards north of Penola? Then the ideal choice is Coonawarra Bush Holiday Park, a large and wild site with many accommodation options, as relaxing as they are remote. The surrounding landscape and nature are truly wild, but harmless. One can go serenely in search of wallabies, kangaroos, echidnas and wombats. The creatures here have never been harassed by humans, which makes them still peaceful in their interactions with passers-by. Among the more unique accommodations, in addition to safari tents and super comfortable bungalows, is the fabulous Hex Bubbles Geodesic Dome, an open space with separate toilet equipped with every conceivable amenity, including a portable refrigerator, electric stove or wood stove, with firewood provided, Wi-Fi, patio, barbecue and garden equipment. 4. Australia, the Bower at Bruley. A private adults-only cabin tucked away in a natural forest, and yet with a supermarket, cafeteria, surf school and a long sandy beach within easy walking distance. This is the rather tempting accommodation offered at the Bower, in the Illawong Nature Reserve on the edge of the coastal town of Bruley. Luxury architect-designed spaces, each located in a small, secluded corner for maximum privacy. The park suffered extensive damage from last year's forest fires, but the owners, rather than throw in the towel, took the opportunity to renovate and make everything even smarter and more state-of-the-art. Each module has a beautiful open-plan layout with a seating area, full kitchen, with all kinds of appliances, including a dishwasher and coffee maker, and a luxurious bathroom. The layout blends cleverly with the outdoor area, which features a covered seating area and a barbecue, all surrounded by lovely tropical vegetation. Beds are comfortable, king-size and with exclusive bedding. The sleeping area is separated from the rest of the cabin by a packet curtain that can be opened or closed as desired. Towels, firewood and breakfast are all included, and there is both heating and air conditioning. 5. Barbados, Camping Barbados East Coast. Camping Barbados East Coast is all about the idea of wild camping among swaying coconut trees and spectacular views of the Atlantic breakers. This 7-acre site is a return to the basics. It has spacious grass sites and a shaded camping area by the pond. The chill-out cabin offers ocean views. Alternatively, you can indulge in a walk to the fishing village of Martins Bay, 10-minute walk. You can pick up fresh produce, fruits, and vegetables from a street stall located nearby. There is also a village store that sells sweets and snacks, but at least a visit to the Oceanfront Tavern in Martins Bay or the seaside restaurants and rum stores in lovely Bathsheba, 10 minutes by car, is a must. 6. Guatemala, Salina Antigua. Surrounded by pink jacaranda trees and an expanse of rainbow buildings, this site offers breathtaking views of the Agua volcano, just a 40-minute drive for daylight or sunset excursions. The site organizes many activities: walking tours of the town, visits to the local market, or tours of local textile and coffee plantations. Excursions to the volcanoes Acatenango, an hour's drive, or Pacaya, an hour and 20 minutes, are also offered. Whether it's relaxing in a hammock in the Arbor Garden, dancing salsa at sunset in the on-site bar, or taking a ride or two in the outdoor pool, there are many friendly places around the site. For those with work to pursue, there is a fully equipped co-working space. The on-site restaurant prepares typical Guatemalan recipes for sampling local cuisine. Many dining options within walking distance of the site, including cafes, restaurants, and bars. 7. Mexico, Salina Isla Mujeres. Salina Isla Mujeres, formerly known as Pacna, is the first ever hostel in Latin America. Set on the tip of the small island of Quintana Roo, a 15-minute ferry ride from Cancun, it overlooks the shores of the brilliantly turquoise Caribbean Sea, a kind of paradise for swimmers and snorkelers. What to do to relax? Taste a mezcal cocktail at the bar or fish tacos at the restaurant, or check out the library in the co-working area. And more. Watch a movie in the cinema room, attend a group seminar in the outdoor playground, or head to the pool for a dip in the fresh water. And if you've been drawn to the island for the legendary dives, the on-site IDC Scuba Instructor Certification Center is on hand for safe diving. 8. Mexico, Salina Puerto Escondido. Those familiar with Puerto Escondido on the Oaxaca coast in Mexico are likely no strangers to a surfboard. Salina Puerto Escondido, right on the legendary Playa Zicatela, is the perfect place for surfers. Life in this cozy bohemian party town is super relaxed. And that's the vibe you'll also find when you step out of your cozy teepee for 2. Sunrise yoga sessions on the deck, Mexican breakfast at the restaurant, volleyball at the pool, all-day surf school on the beach, or mezcal cocktails at the bar. There is also a comfortable and well-equipped co-working space with daily, weekly or monthly subscriptions for those who combine work and pleasure. Although the crashing waves on Playa Zicatela are mesmerizing, if you can tear yourself away, you'll find the quieter, more swimming-friendly beaches of Carrizalillo and Puerto Angelito about 10 minutes away. 9. Namibia, Ruasan Desert Ranch. The Ruasan Desert Ranch team says that the stars seem closer from here. We could call the location the Star Farm of Namibia. From the ranch one can easily spy stars and clear skies, as the Gamsberg region is virtually free of light pollution and enjoys good weather year-round. To make it even easier, the Ruasan Observatory has one of the largest and most modern telescopes. Then again, Namibia is world famous for stargazing, with a low population density and low air and light pollution rates. You will find breathtaking views from the sky here. Those who are not astronomy enthusiasts, TISC, on the other hand, have an excellent selection of options to delve into during the day, including trails to rock painting sites or hiking in the red dunes of the Namib Desert. Red sands equals Ruasand. Windhoek, Sossusvlei, Atasha Pan, and Walvis Bay, Swakopmund are all easily accessible for self-guided adventures in the region, and the Ruasan team arranges scenery, safaris, and sunsets throughout the year. Within walking distance, the town of Chazab can be visited. Ruasand is well set up for lazy days as well as stargazing nights, with a setting in a spectacular setting, awnings and wind and braai for guest use. On-site chefs are available to prepare meals in the restaurant. Just make a reservation in advance. 10. Panama, Salina Red Frog. Set against the backdrop of mangrove-lined jungles and Caribbean beaches, Salina Red Frog is a bright, colorful and luxurious place to stay on the beautiful island of Bastimentos, Panama. Located about a kilometer from the inviting shores of Red Frog Beach, this well-equipped place has many amenities, including a movie theater, a communal kitchen, a restaurant, an outdoor pool, and yoga classes. Live music is also a constant, creating a lively and relaxing atmosphere. Compared to other Bocas destinations, this site is more subdued. To find some fiesta you have to go as far as Bocas del Toro, crossing time 10 minutes, for reggaeton, soca and other Afro-Caribbean rhythms. Monkeys call through the forest as palm trees sway in the breeze. And now the big decision. Will it be a relaxing day by the pool, taking advantage of all the surrounding nature, or a beach day at Red Frog? Salina Red Frog also organizes a wide selection of off-site excursions and activities, from locally guided treks through nearby national parks to trips to secret beaches. 11. Peru, Salina Mancora. Located right next to the beach, Salina Mancora has an incredible oceanfront location and a completely relaxed atmosphere. It is a hub for surfers and outdoor enthusiasts eager to relax in the sun, catch waves, or explore nearby bays and beaches. Bijou accommodations are in brightly colored types with interiors decorated with simple wooden furniture and are right on the beach, sheltered by palm trees. Daily life flows between the pool and the waves, and there is always something going on. Surfing lessons, yoga classes, live music at nightfall. There is also co-working space, as well as a children's play area and a movie theater. The seaside town of Mancora is just a 10-minute walk along the beach, with a lively selection of waterfront cafes serving fresh seafood from the pier nearby, as well as pizzerias and burger bars. However, it is just as easy to stay on site and gather around a table in the palm-fringed playground restaurant to chat with other guests and enjoy healthy local dishes.